Hi everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe for you, and I'm calling it beef and zucchini Lomain, and it'll serve 2 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of the stir-fry steak pieces, 2 bags of the frozen zucchini spirals, olive oil for cooking, soy sauce, for seasoning, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, oregano flakes, and ginger, and then you'll need a stir-fry pan and a spatula and a tablespoon. Let's start by taking 4 tablespoons of the olive oil in your stir-fry pan on a heat a little higher than medium. Once it's hot, add over all of your steak, and then we're going to season it up. You'll see the seasonings there. I added pink salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, ginger, and oregano flakes. And for the ginger, I added a little extra. Then stir it up, and while that's cooking, let's heat up our zucchini in the microwave. Each bag in my microwave took 6 minutes. Then start stir-frying your steak up. Once you're done with that, let it sit and let's drain our zucchini noodles. Get all the water out of it. And once your steak is cooked, pour both bags over your stir-fry. And then add more pink salt, pepper, and more ginger. And then let's stir-fry it again. Once that's done, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we're going to stir fry again, bringing all those beautiful flavors together. And boy, it sure smelled good in here. Once that's done, you're ready to serve up. I made it into 2 servings at 10 net carbs for the whole pan. So each plate, like right there, is only 5 net carbs. And definitely had a Chinese taste. It was absolutely delicious. I love Chinese food. I loved it. My husband loves it. And I believe even your children would love this. So definitely make it super easy to make. And always keep it keto.